Solar installs will come to a screeching halt in Sacramento. SMUD is soon adding the dreaded grid access charge. Get the solar system before July 1st, 2019. No grid access charge. Yes, absolutely free, zero, nothing. Then it will be an added $8 per kilowatt per month. A 10 kilowatt system would cost an extra $80 per month, or almost $10,000 more in the next 10 years. So the review: if you have SMUD, what should you do before July 1st, 2019?
Compare solar.
If you don't want an extra cost to go solar, what should you do right now?
Compare solar.
If you don't want to be stuck with SMUD and or the grid access charge for a very long time, what should you do?
Compare solar.
SMUD customers, own your solar system by July 1st, 2019. CompareAllSolar.com.